Hello folks, I am making a video about the paperwork that you will be receiving in the mail and that I previously sent out via email. It's going to have the intern packet, some paperwork that needs to go to Occupational Health and Wellness when you make your appointment this summer, and then there are some forms I'm going to show you that are in the folder. So the intern packet, this is something you need to bring on the first day of class completed. Basically the things that you see in yellow are what you need to fill out, okay? And anytime you see like a department, you can just put New Vision's medical, all right? And if there's a place where you have to write like a supervisor's name, please just write mine. Let me just flip through this packet here. So again, the internship is through CV Tech. The contact person is me. I can actually put the phone number online so you guys can have that information. But yeah, pretty standard paperwork that you're going to see in here. You're going to have this confidentiality statement filled out. Basically everything in this packet you're going to need to bring day one. Now, I have noticed that in the intern packet as well as in the forms that Occupational Health and Wellness sent me, there is a duplicate sheet here. I'm going to ask you to fill both out just so that Occ Health can have one, and then the person who's dealing with our paperwork can have one as well. If you plan on parking here at the hospital, you're going to have to fill out this vehicle registration form as well to get a sticker. So you will need that. And again, just some more initialing. Basically, you're going to get to the back here, and then this can be removed. This is your orientation handbook. You can bring this when we have our orientation, which is going to be in the beginning of September. For this year, for the class of 2025, it's going to be on September 9th, but that could change from year to year if I reuse this video. Okay, so again, intern packet. This needs to come day one completed to class. Over the summer, you need to go to Occupational Health and Wellness, and you need to make an appointment. You're going to have to fill out this form, as well as there's some forms about N95 masks fitting and things of that nature, as well as a minor consent form that you're going to need to have completed. Where is that in here? In there. Okay, so these are going to be some loose papers. You're going to have to complete these and bring them, and you are going to have to call CVPH Occupational Health and Wellness to make the appointment for this during the summer prior to school starting. Other things that you're going to need to fill out. This is the CV Tech Health form, okay? You're going to need to bring this on the first day of class to me completed. Okay, please make sure it is completed. Do not have this faxed to CV Tech. I need to have this come to me in hard copy on day one of class. If you are planning on driving, you're going to have to fill out the driving form. And it's really important that you get all of the signatures, okay? So you're going to need to have your signature, the homeschool principal. So like, let's say if you went to Beekmantown, that would be your principal from Beekmantown. That's what we call homeschool. As far as CV Tech principal, we will sign all this information when you get it. But in order to drive the first day of class, I need to have this on the first day, okay? So again, I'll sign it once I receive it, but you need to have this vehicle registration filled out, and you also need a photocopy of your license, registration, and insurance card. Students like to take a picture of that all on the same card and on the same piece of paper, as a photocopy, and that's definitely easier for us. If you plan on being a passenger, let's see, that's over here. If you plan on riding with somebody, again, there are permissions that need to be completed, okay? So you're gonna have passenger parent, driver parent, homeschool principal, and all of that stuff filled out, okay? Again, if you're planning on riding day one, you need to have this information brought, okay? And make sure that all the signatures are there. So I think that covers paperwork. If you have any questions, this packet will be going out in the mail early next week, I would imagine. Don't feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.